That's something y'all should. Hey y'all, hey. That's something y'all should have had to talk with me about. How y'all doing this evening? I'm sitting here with three generation of women. The mother hen, the grandmother hen actually, the mother hen, and the little daughter hen. I know your granny is a granny good. You don't have to tell me that.
Go get me a cigarette so I can take me a little start.
You ain't. You got your own this man.
You ain't bought me
This
no.
is the box that I had bought to pack and put in the microwave. I let you open it the other day. Anyway, how y'all doing today? This is gonna be a real quick video. It's just gonna be me eating the powder form. I was gonna make chunks out of this particular box, but somebody opened it.
And she ain't bought me none of my studs yet.
I still ain't, cause I ain't been nowhere where they have it. It's on two places here that, maybe three, but two places I know that sell it. That's the AG and the, what's that store? The 10% not cash save, the other store.
I don't know, but you need to get yourself some, girl.
That's on the Coliseum Boulevard.
Girl, you need to get some. Get some.
I started stopping at the AG the other day. When I started to make you go the other day when we was together.
If I get it, I'll make myself too diabetical with it.
I have had a rough day. And as you can see, my eyes are heavy because I am sleepy. They think they're gonna worry me, but they not today. You want some? Cause you sure standing down.
I need to draw off a cigarette first.
Oh, she gotta go smoke her a cigarette first, y'all.
Then I'm gonna come back and
I don't know why.
Tastes better.
They make me want to swallow it. It's good. But y'all already know I'm not. I'm still gonna chunk it. This is a good box. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next to my hair. I just don't know. Kinda wanna cut it off. I just don't know. Oh, this gonna have laundry taste because it smell like laundry. It ain't like the other box. And then I haven't had it that long. I gotta get another one of these before I get that. I know y'all be like, why is she chew it to the front of her mouth? For me, it seemed like, I'm sorry. It seemed like my taste buds in the back enjoy the storage so much more. I don't know. But it made me want to swallow it more when I eat it towards the back of my mouth. So I try to keep it moving in the front so I do all I can not to swallow. This one right here, it's so, I forget. Oh, I know where I got it from. I got it from Cash Saver. And in that store, it sits right next to a whole bunch of different laundry products. So it's real. It's like chewing on some Gain that's not greedy, because you know Gain washing powder is real. I ain't never ate none, but you know what I'm talking about. The feel. It's like chewing on some smooth Gain. It's so heavily scented. But I wanted to try them together. Oh, you might want to go let y'all dogs in. I wanted to try them together. I saw Mrs. Starch do it. And I want to see what it tastes like. Powder form. Because y'all know I hardly eat no powder form. But I haven't really had time to make chunks. So yeah, they ready to come. Yeah, oh, I think your granny's at the gate with them too while she smoke. That's Jake doing our little talking. Anyway, I saw Mrs. Starch eating together, so I had to try it. See what that was about. But this one is so strong to it overpowered that one. So your granny's at the gate talking to him, so you can leave him out there till she get through.
Oh.
Okay.
Let me get in here and get a little bit of this stuff good. Get these
Who's
folks.
coming here?
I don't want that.
I know it.
I don't want that. Give me a real deal. Give me some of that. Yeah. Don't you want me to get a little video in that thing, girl? Let my dear on. Let them folks see what deal. Hey, y'all. What deal in the house? They'll get a nice spoon mug. Had that cigarette there. And I tell you, it's going to be real. Smooth. Go down. Get the real stuff. Go down smooth, good. She won't get me my real deal. That good stuff.
I thought you liked this though.
It's okay. But you know what I like.
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of that stuff? Tell me.
Sure fine.
Sure fine. So good. What them folk good?
Don't double dip. Anyway, y'all. I just want to say this. Short table talk. Sometimes we post videos, for those who post videos quite often, and we might not necessarily get a chance to respond or reply to something. You know, sometimes if I don't reply to you, or at least love your comment, I had to have not seen it. Most times I either don't have time, so I just go back, I heart everybody, and then go back and respond to what I really need to respond to. And like I said, most times I just for the matter of fact that I don't see it. And then when it comes to watching other people's videos, I'm a mom and a wife before anything, outside of a child of God, because I'm that first. Why are the dogs so excited? But anyway, a lot of the times, I hate to say this, but it's gonna be truthful. A lot of the times when I do get a chance to watch a video in its entirety, it's going to either be late at night when everybody's sleeping and I can't sleep, or when I create some downtime at work. And I do mean create it, because lately, I can show y'all, we've been short for so long, I have to get creative and just be like, I'm just finna. But anyway, that is the only time that I can actually watch a video in its entirety. So sometimes, just because me or the next person may not put a comment on their video, that don't mean that we haven't watched or we're not looking at your videos. It's just a matter of having time to comment. Like, it's not always that easy. Me personally, I want to be supportive to anybody I can. You don't always get that back on YouTube and off YouTube. Y'all know how it goes. So I just wanted to let that be known, because yeah, y'all feel me. But anyway, I'm finna chunk one of these, I guess. If I don't hold me to it. Having a pretty busy week.
But dear ain't coming on the videos no more until she get me some she'll find.
So, pray for my strength that I stopped by the store that says sure find for her, so I can put her on the video, because she about to drive me crazy about this sure find, y'all.
Better get that she'll find. You ain't got nothing. You get that she'll find, I'ma slap my face in like a body Google.
Y'all see what I have to deal with?
That's all.
What'd you say? She a what?
Beautiful young woman.
She a beautiful young woman?
That's right.
But yeah, you tell me I'm old, so how I'm gonna be old and she gonna be young?
Good stuff, good stuff.
I thought you couldn't see now without your glasses on.
I can't. I see colors.
I'm sorry. But anyway, I just wanted to put that out there.